In this video, you're going to learn how to smooth keyframes. So without any further talks, let's get moving. Okay, so first, make a keyframe. Okay, I have my first keyframe. Let's make that right here. And the second keyframe somewhere here. So when you click on the motion icon, you will see the path and blue box. And this is our animation right now. Okay, what if I add another keyframe like here? Yep, like this. How does it go? It goes curve. Why does it go curve? Because right click on this, there are two things right here: temporal and spatial. A spatial handles the things like the curves and things, and the temporal handle the time and speed. So in spatial, if you keep it on linear, it's gonna be like really hard, like it will, you can see totally linear. But if you change the spatial to bezier, it will make it a little bit smoother, and you will get two handles to make it even more smoother if you want, like this and this. So now you can see it's a lot smoother than before. And if you want to make them even more smoother, you can do ease in and out. Let me tell you one thing: ease out means it's going out. Okay, it doesn't mean out as the end. So if you wanna smooth the starting, you have to use the ease out, and if you want to smooth the ending, you have to use ease in. So in the temporal, go to ease in, and now it will be quite, not much, but quite smoother. And this one is out. So now you can see the difference. And when you open this drop down, you will see that how the graph goes. If you have ever used After Effects, you know about this graph. And you also get this lever to like change the speed and the smoothness according to your taste, like this. And if I make this a little less steep, and it will go like this. But if I make this like super steep, it will go like this. So yeah, that's how you smooth out keyframes in Premiere. I personally only do right click and ease in or out.